are back at the 240. We made the BMW not drivable today. And now we're making a bracket for oil catch can. Is this considered AOS or just catch can?
It's catch can.
Just catch can.
Well, vent atmosphere.
Okay, vent atmosphere.
So we're not rerouting it back into the intake line.
So we've got to do that, which means we have to make a bracket because the strut tower is not flat. So we're going to cut a little piece of this 16 gauge sheet metal. We made a little outline. We'll clean it up, we'll epoxy paint it, and then after that we'll figure out what level is to the strut tower here. We're going to be using these two, and there's one, so two M6s and one M8 back there. Try to make it as flat as possible, and we're going to do that by making some spacers out of this aluminum rod. Ricky's drinking tequila. So yeah, let's cut some shit. Is it hot?
Yep.
Spicy. This cutting wheel sucks. You should be using proper eye protection and not prescription glasses.
Cut your fucking dick off.
Literally.
Fucking guillotine.
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 60 grito. Hit it with a little flop disc. Make it look nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. There's a TRX on Copar right now.
Oh shit.
Vandalism. And it's like full of like homeless people shit on the inside.
Cool.
It's like, is that all the problems are?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine.
A little R&R.
Yeah, a little detail. Step one, tighten the vise.
That's about to be a fucking saw blade flying in the air.
Flying through the air. The only reason I thought of the TRX was because I was laughing doing this because I was thinking about Justin. Because he always makes fun of us when we do shit like this. Yeah. And it's like he posted the other day, he's like in the TRX, like bahaing this thing through the fuck. I'm like, it's $100,000 pickup truck. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? I'm like, I want one though.
It's sick.
That's the only Mopar I'd buy.
It's sick.
Yeah, it's literally out of all the other Mopars we've owned, like the Cherokee and the Jeep, like they're garbage. I would buy that. Mechanic. What are you laughing at, fucker? Are you laughing? Super, super horny. So horny.
Yep.
whoa.
Pretty good.
Maybe a little hand file. Take some of the burrs off. It's like it's a razor blade.
Yes. Open up my rib cage.
Alright, so we're finally at the K240 valve cover part. So we're going to do the gasket. You got to put a little no, this is the back. You flipped it on me.
This is the outside, like this.
You rolled it. It's rolled. This side goes towards you. I don't know why you keep twisting it.
We want to do that like outside ring.
That's weird. Let me get a pocket screwdriver.
We can snip that lead off of it too. You have to.
Well, let's see if we could just squeeze it in there.
Of course. Fucking OEM gasket.
It's always bullshit.
I was like, cool, I could have ordered the Felpro fucking garbage one. Probably would have been fine. Even this is like,
That's okay. I think it's good. It's good, huh?
just gonna push it in when we tighten the bolts and stuff.
Of course.
This area is like,
Loosey goosey.
it's just very.
It's gonna squish. Like once you tighten.
I just
it
don't
down.
want it to like fold over on itself while we're tightening. You know what I mean? Because like just pushing one of the legs, it like pops it out.
Ding, 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 ding.
Try to grab it from like.
Your fingers are gonna get smushed. Just hold it from the outside. What are you doing? What are you concerned about? Just get the fucking studs in the holes. There you go. You gotta remember we're sliding it into the seals around the spark plug boots. There you go. That's what we're looking for. That little.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Titanium.
Ricky went full blown retard again and chasing gaze. Titanium. Crack open the other. You got a nice oil cap for this, or are you transferring over the factory?
Let's put the factory one on for now. I'm gonna get a different one.
Titanium.
I might just get theirs. Chasing Jay's one, or let's see.
Factory dipstick as well.
For now, yeah.
This is washer.
It's just aesthetic.
Go get the oil cap before a mistake happens.
Where is it?
Where's the valve cover, Ricky?
I was looking up. I want to kill you.
I wish you would.
K240. Okay. The mistake happens. I already know what the mistake is. One of those fucking castle nuts going into the
Ding, ding, and it's gonna go all the way down to the crankcase.
100%.
Get the fucking coil packs. Like, there's too many holes. I'm freaking out.
I'm sweating.
I'm sweating.
Alright.
Do you have the hardware for these now, or no?
This?
Yeah.
No.
Cool. These 12 point hardware that I got. Do you have a cover for that? Are you covering those?
Yeah, I do. It's happening.
Alright, so it doesn't matter. Use some dusty ass M6 armor.
They might need to be metal though, like stainless, or like actual metal, because titanium has issues with like using it as a ground and stuff like that. This is
I wouldn't put titanium on.
so this is a ground technically. That's why there's a ring inside here.
That's not why there's a ring inside there.
Huh?
There's a ring inside there because it's plastic, and if you had no plastic or no metal in there, it would crack when you tightened it.
Not according to BMW.
It's a metal ring surrounded by plastic. How is it a ground?
What do you mean? The head of the bolt hits that, and then that hits the valve cover.
And then the coil pack is plastic.
On Subaru, it's part of the electrical system.
Someone fact check Ricky on this.
I'm just saying. Just took the paint off of it.
Yes.
I swear to God, if one nick happens to this, it's coming back off and it's getting chromed. I promise you.
Okay, well, I'm being very gentle.
Look at my McDonald's valve cover. Look at the yellow and the orange. That dipstick has to go.
Just get a dipstick head. You cut that one off, or you heat it up, and you like pull the thing out, and then they have one that has a little set screw. I actually think Chasing Jays makes one.
They make a whole dipstick.
There you go.
You just got to lay them next to it, because you know how we cut this one.
That's
Yeah,
right.
I don't
So we're
remember
not.
that.
Yeah, that's right.
So I have to lay them next to each other, and then mark it high and low.
All right, so we got the plugs in, the castle nuts on with the Chasing Jays washers. Just found 4 matching M6 hardwares for the coil pack, so those are done. Everything's tight. Ricky's putting the orb fittings on for the lines. We're not going to be able to finish those because we got to finish making the bracket, which requires some sanding because we jumped ahead of it ourselves. So we've got, this is 10 AN, 10 AN orb here, 10 AN orb there, and we're going to make lines that run to the catch can over here. And then after that, it's just wiring. Got to do the fan controller. We got to pull the harness out of the driver footwell and start looking at that, cleaning that up, terminating things that we don't need.